Today, I'm going to show you how to run canned reports in Shift. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to Operations, then Reports. And this brings us to the Reports page. We have a bunch of options on this page, such as the date range will go last 7 days. Click Apply. We can also choose the garage groups to use, the garages, the vehicles, and the report type. We'll just keep everything selected for the sake of this tutorial. So there's two different types of reports. There's canned reports and custom reports. To make a custom report, you click on this button here and fill in all this information. We're going to leave that for another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to make a canned report. So let's scroll down to here and let's choose the mileage report. So all we have to do is click run. And here we have our mileage report. So first thing you'll see is that we can actually email this report to people. All we have to do is type in their emails. So for example, we go test@shiftgroup.ca, click add, and we can add as many emails as we'd like. We can go test2@shiftgroup.ca, click add again. We can add as many as we'd like. And when we click this button here that says send report, it will send an email to all of these people. I'm going to delete these because obviously these are not real emails. And then down here, we have the report itself. We get some information about the fleet size, active fleet size, and the fleet efficiency, the number of records in this report. And we get this nice spreadsheet, which in this case represents our mileage, such as the start odometer, end odometer, distance traveled, the driver, etc. Now, with this report, we can download it. It will save as a CSV file. So if I click this, you can see it saves as a CSV. We can also save it so that we can run it again in the future. And then if we want to rerun it right now, then we just click Run Report again. Now, once we're done, all we have to do is click this X in the top right to close the window. And that's everything you need to know to run canned reports in Shift.